The next train at platform 6 is the 0855 ScotRail service to Kyle of Lochalsh, calling at Ely, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Garve, Lochalsh, Acanalt, Achnasheen, Achnashilk, Strathcarron, Attadale, Strollferry, Duncraig, Plockton, Jurich and Kyle of Lochalsh. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 2 is the 0901 ScotRail service to Aberdeen, calling at Nairn, Forres, Elgin, Keith, Huntly, Inch, Inverurie, Kintore, Dice and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train at platform 3 is the 1002 ScotRail service to Elgin, calling at Nairn, Forres and Elgin. This train is formed of 2 carriages.
This is a customer information announcement. Please be advised that ScotRail operate annual smoking policy in all station areas. This includes the use of e-cigarettes and vaporisers. If you wish to smoke, please leave the station. Thank you.
The next train at platform 5 is the 1142 ScotRail service to Dingwall, calling at Ely, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge and Dingwall. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 2 is the 1148 ScotRail service to Elgin, calling at Nairn, Forres and Elgin. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 1 is the 0755 service to London King's Cross, calling at Aviemore, Kinussie, Pitlochry, Perth, Gleneagles, Stirling, Falkirk Graveston, Haymarket, Edinburgh, Newcastle, Darlington, York and London King's Cross. This train is formed of 9 carriages. The 0944 ScotRail service to Edinburgh has been cancelled. Please listen for further announcements. The 1046 ScotRail service to Edinburgh has been cancelled due to a fault on a train in front of this one. Please listen for further announcements.
This is a train announcement. ScotRail regrets the 1046 ScotRail service to Edinburgh has been cancelled. This is due to a broken down freight train blocking the line. ScotRail apologises for any inconvenience caused.
The next train at platform 6 is the 1046 ScotRail service to Wick, calling at Ely, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Alness, Invergordon, Ferrin, Tain, Ardgay, Kilrain, Invershin, Blairg, Rogart, Gulspie, Dunrobin Castle, Brora, Helmsdale, Kildonan, Kinbrace, Forsenard, Altnabriag, Scots Calder, Georgemas, Thurso, Georgemas and Wick. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The 1046 ScotRail service to Edinburgh has been cancelled due to a fault on a train in front of this one. Please listen for further announcements. The next train at platform 6 is the 1056 ScotRail service to Kyle of Lochalsh, calling at Ely, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Garve, Lochalsh, Acanalt, Achnasheen, Achnashilk, Strathcarron, Attadale, Strollferry, Duncraig, Plockton, Jurich and Kyle of Lochalsh. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 3 is the 1249 ScotRail service to Edinburgh, calling at Carbridge, Aviemore, Kinussie, Newtonmore, Blairathel, Pitlochry, Dunkeld and Burnham, Perth, Markinch, Kirkcaldy, Inverkeithing, Edinburgh Gateway, Haymarket and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train at platform 2 is the 1333 ScotRail service to Elgin, calling at Nairn, Forres and Elgin. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 5 is the 1335 ScotRail service to Kyle of Lochalsh, calling at Ely, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Garve, Lochalsh, Achanault, Achnasheen, Achnashilloch, Strathcarron, Attadale, Stromeferry, Duncraig, Plockton, Duranish and Kyle of Lochalsh. This train is formed of 2 carriages.
This is a customer information announcement. For the safety and security of all customers and staff, this station is covered by CCTV cameras. We are urging customers to follow government advice and only travel by rail to, from and within the central belt when absolutely necessary. We will continue to provide a high level of cleanliness in our trains and stations. Customers making essential journeys can help us to keep everyone safe by following our 5 rules for safer travel. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
The 1400 hours ScotRail service to Wick has been cancelled due to heavy rain flooding the railway. Please listen for further announcements. The next train at platform 6 is the 1712 ScotRail service to Ardgay, calling at Beaulieu, Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Alness, Invergordon, Fern, Tain and Ardgay. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 3 is the 1714 ScotRail service to Aberdeen, calling at Nairn, Forres, Elgin, Keith, Huntly, Inch, Inverurie, Kintore, Dice and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train at platform 4 is the 1727 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street, calling at Carbridge, Aviemore, Kinnussie, Pitlochry, Dunkeld and Burnham, Perth, Gleneagles, Dunblane, Bridge of Allen, Stirling and Glasgow Queen Street. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train at platform 5 is the 1833 ScotRail service to Wick, calling at Muir of Ord, Conan Bridge, Dingwall, Alness, Invergordon, Fern, Tain, Ardgay, Kilrain, Invershin, Lairg, Rogart, Gulspie, Brora, Helmsdale, Kildonan, Kinbrace, Forsenard, Altnabriac, Scots Calder, Georgemas, Thurso, Georgemas and Wick. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train at platform 1 is the 2045 service to London Euston, calling at Preston, Crewe and London Euston.